In this short video, I'm going to show you the timeline and events and stages. Think of the timeline as the backbone of your client's plan, so Grace and John's plan in this case. This is where you can personalize the plan and put things on it that denote the things that Grace and John wish to do. For example, buy a new car or go on a holiday. The timeline is made up of events and stages. Events are specific to a year and are place markers. They denote the start and the end of a stage too. The stages are the longer time periods. So Grace and John have said that when Grace is 50, she would like to buy a new car. So let's add an event at age 50. So plus button, bottom right hand corner, click on event. I'm going to change the name to car, and then we need to edit the timing. So you can edit the timing one of three ways. You can either use the slider, you can use the years and scroll up and down, or you can use the age again and scroll up and down. Whichever one you choose, they all end up at the same time period. And then I'm going to choose an icon, and then I'm going to click done to save it. So you can see now that I have got the car event on my timeline. Now this is a placeholder, it holds no value. I will cover how to add values in a future video when I cover expenses and goals. When Grace and John retire, they wish to spend their first 10 years of their retirement on holiday. So what we're going to do now, we're going to add an active retirement stage. So we need an event to start the stage, and we have Grace's retirement event here at age 65. They want to travel for 10 years. So to end the stage, we need to have an event here at age 75. So what I'm going to do first of all is show you another way to create an event. So you can see that my cursor is in the grey space over where Grace is 75, and I'm just going to double click. And this is just a shortcut from being able to click on that plus button and the event tile in the bottom right hand corner. I'm going to call it holidays end. We don't need to change the timing because we selected it from the timeline, and then just pick another icon and click done. So now what we've done, we've got the already retirement event there to start it, and we've got this new event to end the holidays in retirement. So now we're going to create a stage here. So to create a stage, we're going to click on the plus button in the bottom right hand corner and click on stage. I'm going to give it a name, say holidays in retirement. I'm going to give it a lovely contrasting colour, and then the final step is that I need to tell Voyant when I want to start this stage and when I want to end it. So I'm going to drag and drop the retirement event in here to show that that's when the stage starts, and also then drag the new event we've created into this box here to say when I want the stage to end. If you have trouble dragging and dropping, you can click on the event and then choose, in this case because it's the end one, set as the end event. You would do the similar thing with the start one as well. So you select it and click on start event. Now I'm going to save that and click on done. So now we've got 3 stages in here. So this is really making it Grace and John's plan. There is no values in here either yet. I say I will cover that on another video where I cover expenses and goals. So these are just the place markers in here, what they would like to do. You can also rename the default stages. So the pre-retirement stage, I'll just click on it and I can just change the name, and let's call it, say, working and saving. I'm only changing the name of it, nothing else. You can see that it saves here, and I'm going to click on done. So that's the timeline. That's how to add an event and a stage. I hope you found that helpful, and thank you for watching.